ToolManageriQ uses a variety of sections and subsections to manage all of the items on your database. The first one I'll show is the suppliers section. And that has to do with storing all of the contact details for certain suppliers, which you can then apply to different tools to make the ordering process streamlined. And again, everyone that's on this database can see it, so even if the purchaser doesn't have gibbsCAM, they can always add this information after using the standalone version. And each section will have a list view like this, which is completely customizable and can also be printed. The next section I'll show is the tools section, which has a variety of subsections. When I open that up, I can select the type of tool I'd like to see to filter through and see those items. This could be a milling tool, turning tool, broaching tool, or probe. When I go to each one, I can then filter through by picking a specific tool type, or I can always set my group to show all of the tools in the database. Again, that will give me my list view, and I can go through and see the information for each tool. The nice thing too is this section has a direct import and export from gibbsCAM. So if you have tools already, you can bring them into ToolManageriQ very quickly, and if you have them in your database already, you can bring them into gibbsCAM very quickly. This dialog also has the holders section, which deals with tool holders. Once again, you can see the list view, and anyone on the database would be able to edit this information after it's been added. Once again, this does support direct import and export from gibbsCAM and to gibbsCAM. The last of the main ones is the fixtures section. That has a subsection for independent fixtures, which have a single solid file. And it also has a fixture assembly subsection. And that would be multiple solid files with different offsets available as well. Independent fixtures can be imported and exported, and fixture assemblies can only be exported after you've built them.